I have M847D1004 zone actuator that needs replacing. Not sure if it's a normally open or closed device. Replacement part I found is M847D zone.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
6 months.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I think it's normally open because I pulled down on actuator to closed and IT returns to open.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. The M847D1004 is spring open power close like the M847D zone. Both are normally open devices. The M847D zone is a direct replacement for the M847D1004.
That's what I found, just wanted to make sure. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.